Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Zaid, admin of Beauty of VNB. Here on behalf of Galaxy Learning Center, we are at Jain College today to talk about learning disabilities and spreading awareness. Let's begin.
Learning difficulties, in simple words, is just the incapability or difficulty to learn or grasp certain things. Majorly, learning difficulty is categorized into four types: dyslexia, dyscalculia, non-verbal learning difficulty, auditory processing difficulties. Dyslexia is related to the incapability or difficulty to learn, to write, or to speech. Unfortunately, learning difficulties is not curable, but it can be treated and managed with inclusive education and a supportive environment.
So inclusive education means teaching all the students together, including those with learning difficulties. They get the help they need, simple explanations or extra time.
They face difficulty in writing or reading or calculating maths. If they lack in one area, they will be superior in another area. Like they may be superior in calculating maths, but they may lack knowledge in arts and science.
Learning disabilities are diagnosed through a comprehensive evaluation process that involves multiple assessments and observation. This process usually starts by ruling out other potential factors of learning disabilities, such as medical conditions, emotional disorders, or intellectual disabilities.
Autism is a spectrum disorder, which means it affects people differently. It is a neurodevelopmental condition that affects how a person communicates and interacts with others. It is not a disease, and it doesn't mean that they are less intelligent.
Learning difficulties are not generally typically considered as permanent in the way that can be cured, whereas learning disabilities are normally considered as lifelong condition. However, with proper support and practice, an individual can overcome their struggles and can earn their success.
These difficulties affects major parts of academic performance and affects the results. But early interpretation and right support and tools, it can be managed and treated.
Some children may have the ability have a progressive development in certain areas such as social skills and language.
Some signs start even at preschools only. Like it might be how the children speak, hold the crayons, and remember things, interact with others.
Learning disability has a significant impact on child self-esteem. It leads them to feel inadequate, frustrated, and leads to so low self-esteem. There are various counselors who are working together for this.
School counselors are more supportive to the children who are with a learning disability.
Thank you to all the students of Jain College for sharing your thoughts on behalf of Galaxy Learning Center and Beauty of Anybody. Let's keep spreading awareness about learning disabilities and support every child's right to grow. See you in next video. Thank you.